When your organic garden needs to be enriched, you have several natural fertilizing options. An organic slow-release fertilizer that contains mineral deposits from the ocean floor. It can enhance soil structure, increase root growth, and is good for the overall health of plants, because it gives them more nutrients. Let's look into the definition and composition of greensand. Also called glauconite, greensand is a material from the ocean floor that is mined to be used as a soil conditioner or fertilizer. It has a bluish-green color and is made of marine potash, silica, iron oxide, magnesia, lime, phosphoric acid, and about 30 other trace minerals. Here what potash is, found in rock deposits. Potash is a type of salt that contains large amounts of potassium, a nutrient that all plants need for both growth and reproduction. Because potash contains potassium in a water-soluble form, it makes for a popular ingredient in plant fertilizers. While it sounds revolutionary, greensand is nothing new. It's been around for decades and is a popular tool that organic gardeners turn to often to fertilize their soil. It is a good organic source of potash, which is important for overall plant health and disease resistance. It is one of the best certified organic potassium sources and contains a high level of minerals, iron, silicates, and other trace elements. Gardeners also find greensand useful when trying to improve hard clay soil. It will help texturize it and naturally boost the nutrient content. Sandy soils can also benefit from greensand because it increases soils' moisture retention capacity. In fact, greensand can retain water and nutrients well, holding up to 1/3 its weight in water. Now let's see the safety of using greensand in the garden. Most gardeners agree that greensand is a very beneficial natural fertilizer for a variety of reasons. They also enjoy that it's much safer to use than artificial fertilizers. It is perfectly safe to touch greensand when working with it, and it is not toxic to humans or animals. If you have pets or children outside near your plants, you will not have to worry about exposing them to dangerous toxins. Greensand will not harm all of the important microorganisms and worms in your garden soil either. Since you have probably worked hard to create healthy soil, it's good to know that your efforts will not be wasted when you need to fertilize. Let's look into the use of greensand. Greensand is not water soluble, so it has to break up in the soil. Therefore, it is applied directly to the soil and not mixed in water. It is best when applied in early spring. The amount needed will depend on where and how you want to use it. For trees, use 1 to 2 pounds of greensand per inch of trunk diameter. Spread evenly over root zone. For plants, use 1 to 2 pounds per plant, depending on size. Mix into the top 6 inches of soil. For broadcast application, use between 50 and 100 pounds for every 1,000 feet of soil treated. For lawns, the general recommendation is to apply 16 pounds per 1,000 square feet. For flower and vegetable gardens, a good goal is 5 to 10 pounds per 100 square feet. For bushes, add 1/3 cup per bush when planting or fertilizing. For potting mix, mix in 2 tablespoons per gallon of potting mix for container gardens and houseplants.